Welcome back to another edition of Health Hack. And I'm Melissa Deely. And this week I want to talk to you about quantum physics and health and the power of energy healing. And you might be like, what does quantum physics have to do with health? And it's funny how our reticular activation system, when we become aware of something, then we see it over and over again because that RAS in our brain brings it to the forefront of our attention and we notice it everywhere. Just like when I bought a new Subaru, all of a sudden I saw Subarus everywhere in my neighborhood. So that's what's happening for me with quantum physics right now. And it's absolutely fascinating. It's something that I really knew very little about, but now it's showing up everywhere in my world. And I'm currently in a training, a NLP, neuro-linguistic programming training, where we're learning about quantum physics. But I've also recently purchased a device that is based on quantum physics. And what I love about all of this is it's using energy. It's also using the power of our unconscious mind, because our unconscious mind can actually connect to our higher self when we slow down enough to allow that to happen. And that happens in and above the quantum field. And so that allows us to bring in more resources and see more options to whatever problems we might be having. And that is obviously critical to problem solving. And of course, we also need to be problem solving in our health and getting to root cause, understanding what's going on, particularly in our emotional bodies and our mental body. So often our physical health is the result of what's going on in our emotional body, all those emotions we've stuffed down, refused to address, that it's not safe for our unconscious mind to bring forth to our conscious mind to address yet. That over time can build up and becomes toxic in our body and can actually cause disease. And so the more we understand this, the more we can take action to help people deal with those emotions, release those emotions in a really safe, effective, fast way, and thereby reduce the risk of disease. So I often talk about dis-ease in the body. I often talk about toxins and talking about the 144 man-made chemical toxins. But today, I'm talking about the toxicity of emotions, the toxicity of the way we talk to ourselves. And all of this impacts our health, and we get far greater understanding around this through the science of quantum physics, which is absolutely fascinating. There's even kids' cartoons, Dr. Quantum, now teaching this information, and it's absolutely fascinating. So I wanted to share that with you because definitely more to come as I complete my training in this area and the ways that I can continue to be helping people with their health. And if this is something of interest to you that you want to learn more about, you want solutions to your health problems, you want rapid solutions, you don't want to be dealing with something for the next 10 years, then message me. Let's talk, because this is powerful healing modalities that I'm learning here.